Hi everyone, here is Aya from our sisters, and I continue my series of explaining how the cards work for you and how to do interpretation properly. Today is the turn of the High Priestess card, and the same as the High Priestess is holding the Book of Knowledge, Torah. I have brought one of my books with me as well. This is Golden Dawn book, and there's a special section which is related to the tarot cards. So if you are willing to dig deeper into card meanings, I suggest you to have this book and get inspiration about the new knowledge that can be brought up with this beautiful book. But now let's get back to the card meanings. So here is this beautiful card of the High Priestess, and if you get this card upwards, the general meaning and the key words are desirability, mystery, sensuality, spirituality, thirst of knowledge, mystery, subconscious, higher power, and fertility, as well as creativity. If you do questions about the general meanings and you need a general guidance from this card, then the High Priestess card possesses intuition, mystery, and sensuality, which is combined with the common sense. When the High Priestess appears in a tarot reading, she indicates that now is the time to trust your gut feeling. Go with your gut feeling and the instincts and the intuition. Pay attention to your dreams and the signs and symbols of the universe which are sent to you. If you do the card spread for love and relationship, and if you are men, the High Priestess appears in the reading in the context of love and usually signifies that you will be becoming infatuated with an attractive woman, with a sensual person who may not be unattainable for you. If you are female, the High Priestess indicates that you will be highly desired by the other person, other men, or someone else. People will find you irresistible. If you are involved with someone, the High Priestess is indicator of good sexual life. If you do the card spreads about the career or the finances, about work situations, and you get the High Priestess upwards. In the work context, the High Priestess can indicate that you may soon become aware of information or an opportunity that will be a benefit to you. The High Priestess Tarot card is an indicator of creativity and inspiration for those involved in arts. For students, if the High Priestess Tarot card appears, it's a good teacher maybe coming into your life to help you with your studies. Be careful who you discuss your finances though. Keep them a need to know the basis. If you do tarot spread about your health and spirituality, in the health context, the High Priestess is generally telling you, listen to the messages to your body. The body is trying to convey a certain message that your body needs to have your attention to. The High Priestess can indicate that you are not being taken seriously in relation in your health concerns. Don't allow your physical concerns to be ignored. The High Priestess can also symbolize fertility and hormones coming into balance, or menstruation cycle to be coming into a balance as well. High Priestess card in spirituality questions. It identifies that you have good connection with spirituality as well as wisdom. When this card appears, it is a good time to connect with your inner voice and intuition and trust your higher power. It is another great card to appear for those interested in psychic abilities and psychic development. So, this was the upright meaning. If you continue watching my channel, you will find the reverse meaning of the card, as well as information about full symbolism of this card. Stay connected.